most of the peoples are from here. What they do, they always with these gardens, with these tea gardens. Just look at the view. Wow, it's amazing. Hey guys, welcome back once again in this video, and I'm Masum here. So after finishing my school, I have just come here to just killing the time, okay, in the tea garden to see the tea garden of us. And now the time is 5:39 p.m. already crossed, and that is how I try to practice my spoken English. Okay, just you can check the view. You can check the view behind of me. It's amazing. And we know that the best tea leaf is well famous in our India is from Darjeeling and Assam. And similarly, in some cases, and in this situation, if as I am here in with the tea garden, so now I can give you some examples of it. That the tea garden leaves, what we do with it, we collect it by spraying medicine, by giving fertilizer. When it reaches at a stage of collect, then we collect it and sell it to the businessman, to the trader, and they will sell it again to the factory, and from that factory it will create tea, and then what they do, they will export it to the company, to the wholesaler, etc, etc. Okay, now check, I am showing you the view of the tea gardens. Most of the peoples are from here. What they do, they always with these gardens, with these tea gardens. Just look at the view. Wow, it's amazing. They spend the time with the tea garden, and they use medicine to grow it. Finally they collect it and sell them to earn money. And I believe that if you will hear, you will think yourself the most luckiest person with this, because the view of these places is so amazing, so amazing. And you can see that the sunset time is already nearby. So after spending just few minutes, now I'm going back home. Not home, I'm going back to the market, and I will spend there sometimes, then I will go back home. Actually what I meant to say, that I just try to speak like this. I just always used to do that, as I can grow my spoken English, I can improve my spoken English. That is how I am growing from the livelihood, and still I am doing the same thing. I try to speak with myself, and in every environment, as I can grow myself, as I speak fluently, I can be a fluent speaker, and my spoken English level get increased day by day. Okay, that is how I try to speak in English and make my spoken English as a passion to become a fluent speaker. Okay, I hope you guys getting me properly, and you also try the same way as I am doing. Okay, I believe that without practice we can grow, our spoken English can be fluent. So that is why you should practice each and every day, in every moment. Okay, as your spoken English get increased day by day at highest level, use just basic grammar, just basic tense, just basic words, and each and every day just try to learn new sentences, new words, new phrases, etc, etc. Okay, so as the time is up, I think, so meet you soon next video. Thank you so much. Hope already have subscribed my channel, like my videos, and comment on my videos. So that's enough for today. Jai Hind, goodbye.